Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add a simple product in WooCommerce on WordPress website. As you can see, I'm into my WordPress admin dashboard as of now. In the left side toolbar, when I move my cursor on the products option, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of us having an option of add new product. We are going to click on add new product, and here it is asking me about the product name. So let me write my product name. It's digital Bikana t-shirt, for example. Right here we can simply write the product description, whatever the product description you want to generate using ChatGPT or AI tool, or you can either write manually also, right? So that particular description you can write over here. So I have already written using ChatGPT, and that I will use over here. So I have just pasted the product description, right? And here in the right side, as you can see, there is a section of product image. You can click on set product image, and then you can simply click on upload files to upload the file from your system. Else you can click on media library if you have already uploaded. Right here you need to take care of all the SEO parameters, right? I'm not going to tell you all the SEO parameters again and again, as we have already discussed. There are dedicated videos in our YouTube channel which you can check out, right? You need to rename the image before uploading. You need to add the image alt text, right? So that your product page automatically appears higher in the search engine result page. Now we have selected the image, and now we will click on set product image. Okay, and here in the product gallery you can simply add the product images from different camera angles, right? And here in the product image you need to upload the cover photo of your product, right? So let me click on add product gallery images and select a few of the images, right? I have kept control pressed and selected a few of the images, and now I'm going to click on add gallery. Okay, so in the right side, as you can see, the next section is of product category. You can simply select any category or subcategory, right? We have already discussed how to create the product categories before, and how to create product tags that you can check out in our YouTube channel in our playlist related to this. Okay, scrolling down here in the left side, this section would not appear in front of you if you have not installed the Yoast SEO plugin, right? So we are not going to discuss this as of now. And here in the product data, right, if it is a simple product, it does not have any variant, then we are going to select the simple product, right? And if this product have different kind of variation, like size variations or color variations, then we can simply select the variable product. I have already discussed with you how to create a variable product in WooCommerce on WordPress website, and to watch that video you can simply visit our YouTube channel and check out the playlist. Right now we are just going to create a simple product. So I have selected the simple product in the product type, and here in the general it is asking me about the regular price, right? For example, this t-shirt's selling price is 800 bucks and the sale price is 700 bucks, and here I can schedule the sale price as well. So I have clicked on schedule. So let me select the tomorrow's date, and the end date of the sale is by 10th of this month. Okay, and here it is asking me about the tax status, whether this particular product is taxable or not. If it is taxable, you can simply select taxable, else you can simply select none over here. Here you can also select the tax class, like whether it belongs to standard tax or like zero rate tax, or whatever the tax classes you have created while setting up the WooCommerce, right? Coming to the next section, after general section there is a section of inventory in the product data itself. So I have clicked on inventory. Here you can mention the SKU, right? If you do have the stock keeping unit number for this product, then you can simply mention it, else there is no need, right? You can simply skip if you don't have. The next is GTN, UPC, EN or ISBN number. If you do have, then you can simply write it over here, else you can simply skip this. Next is of stock management. Stock management, it is asking me, do you want WooCommerce to track stock quantity for this product? Yes, I want. So I will simply check this box in, and here it is asking me about the quantity of this product. So this product is available in 100 quantity right now. The next section is asking me, do I want to allow back orders, right? What does back orders mean? For example, if these 100 quantities are sold out and users keep coming on our website, right, and this particular product went out of stock, then would users be able to purchase the product although that particular product is out of stock? And if I allow them, then automatically they would be able to purchase this product after the product went out of stock, and they would be notified that whenever this particular product will come in stock, we will deliver you. So no, I am not going to do so. So here I am going to select the do not allow, and here in the low stock threshold I can simply enter the threshold limit so that admin automatically gets notified about the product stock getting lower, right, after it reaches to this range. Sold individually, limit purchases to one item per order. No, I don't want to do this, else a single user can buy only one item during one purchase, right? So I'm not going to do this. We can simply check this box in when we have a good demand and the inventory is quite limited, right? So coming to the shipping section in product data, okay, here we can simply mention the weight and dimensions of this product, and we can simply select the shipping class if we have created it. So it belongs to light shipping class, so I just want to charge the light shipping class charges to the customer. So I have simply selected as light in the shipping class. I have already created dedicated video on how to create shipping classes on and all. You can simply visit our YouTube channel and check out that particular video related to it. Now coming to the linked products, here you can simply add the upsell and cross sell products, right? For example, I have added this polo t-shirt as the upsell product, and in the cross sell product I am going to add denim jeans, right? So automatically whenever a user is going to purchase this particular product, then automatically under the related products and while checking out, these products will be displayed to the users, right? So for this you just need to create those products which you are attaching over here in the upsell and cross sell. You just need to create those products also, right? And then you can simply edit the product again and can add the product upsell products and cross sell products. Okay, coming to the attributes section, here it is asking me about the attribute. If my product does have any attribute, then I can simply enter it, else there is no need, right? So I'm just creating a simple product with having no attribute. Now coming to the next section, it is of advanced. If here I can mention the purchase note, right, like keep away from children, or like iron at below specific temperature, right? Whatever the purchase note I just want to keep and show it to the user. Now coming to the menu order, like I want to get the order from zero itself, right? It means the first order would be the order number 1, right? If I have already sold this particular product in 10 quantity, then and I just want my first order to be displayed as the 11th order, then I can simply type 10 over here, right? Coming to the next section is of enable reviews. Do you want your customers to review this product? Yeah, I do want to give an option of submitting a review about this product. Okay, here you can simply add the product short description. Again, you can use ChatGPT or you can write it manually as per your convenience. Coming to the right side portion part, this publish section, and here I will simply click on the publish button, and this product has been published. Now I can click on view product option displaying on the top, and as you can see, this product has been created. Here is the product name, here is the price, in stock, here is the category from which this product belongs to, and here in the left side there is the cover image, and as soon as I move cursor over it, it automatically zooms in, and here is the product gallery images, right? The product image from different camera angles we can simply add, and here is the description of this product, right? And you may also like, here is the upselling products. right? And here is the related products, right? We can simply add tags, and whenever the products are having a similar tag, then it could be shown in our related products. So this is how you can simply create a simple product in WooCommerce on WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about WooCommerce, then I have simply mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit the blog and read articles related to WooCommerce. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.